Hi, you are welcome to GMats class. Let's solve this problem. Solve the following. 0.125 raised to the power of p plus 2 equals to 32. 0.125 raised to the power of p plus 2 equals to 32. Whenever you are given any question like this in indices, the first thing is to look for the decimals. So if you have any decimal there, you turn it to fraction. Now the fraction of this is going to give us 1 over 8. So 1 over 8. 1 over 8 raised to power of p plus 2 equals to 32. So this is 1 over 8. If you don't know how we arrived there, just turn this to fraction by moving the point to the last digit. 1, 2, 3. So that means we are dividing 125 by 1000. You have moved the point 3 times. All right, so 125 goes here 1, 125 goes here is 8. All right, okay, so now the next thing now is to express this in its indicial form, and also you do that to this. So this turns to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Okay, so raised to the power of p plus 2 equals to, now this is 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 raised to the power of 5. All right, so now we tidy up this. This is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of minus 3 raised to the power of p plus 2 equals to 2 raised to the power of 5. All right, so now here I've applied one law of indices. Whenever you have 1 over x raised to the power of n, the result is going to be x raised to the power of minus n. So this is one of the laws of indices. All right, so now this will multiply this. So we have 2 raised to the power of minus 3 times p plus 2 equals to 2 raised to the power of 5. Now, as you can see, the bases are equal. So it implies that the power 2 will be equal. So we have minus 3 times p plus 2 equals to 5. So you can open the bracket. We have minus 3p minus this times that's minus 6 equals to 5. So you collect the like terms. We have minus 3p equals to 5 plus 6. All right. So now when you add this together, what do you have? You have 11. And then you divide both sides by the coefficient of p. So, and because we are looking for p now, so that is minus 3. So you divide this by minus 3 and this by minus 3. So this cancels this. So you have p equals to 11 over minus 3. So p will be, how many 3 are you going to see in minus 11? That's going to be minus 3. So remainder 2 over 3. Okay, so this is going to be the answer. All right, now, so let's look at the second problem. So what do we have in the second one? We have 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 raised to the power of 2 plus x equals to 26. Now, the first thing to do here now is to apply law of indices. We are going to break this down. So this is going to be 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 raised to the power of 2 times 5 raised to the power of x equals to 26. All right. Since we know that one of the laws of indices is this way, like this. So we have x raised to the power of a times x raised to the power of b is the same thing as x raised to the power of a plus b. So if we have it this way, we can turn it to this. So we have it this way, so we have turned it to this one. So we can now say, let's x raised to the power of x equals to n. So if this is m, so this equation now turns to m plus This is 25. 5 times 5. 5 squared is 5 times 5. That's 25. M equals to 26. Okay? So now you add this and this together. So you have 26 M equals to 26. So you can divide both sides by the coefficient of M. That's 26. So we have M equals to 26 over 26. And that's what? 1. So M is 1. Now, but M is 5 raised to the power of x. So that means 5 raised to the power of x is the same thing as 1. And we have 5 raised to the power of x equals to 5 raised to the power of 0. Any number apart from 0 raised to the power of 0 gives 1. So, and this is not 0. So it's the same thing as 1. So the bases are equal. So that implies that the powers too are also equal. So therefore, x equals to 0. So this is the answer. So I will encourage you, those of you that have not subscribed to this channel, please try and do that so that you have my updates at any time. Thanks.